Okay, so continue to continuation of work on the dashboard. So after turning it like this, so I can start working on it. I can work on the borderline. The borderline, solid line. I can make it more rounded. So once I've done this, I think work is done now. I've done enough work on this, but one can still go and do more. So go back to this and also create another pivot table on this. So I go to insert pivot table. Mm. Now you can also even put your pivot table on the same sheet. But for simplicity, I'll just try and put it in different sheets. Mm. So this time I want to check the best performing customers. So my customer name, row, my sales values. So I could format it, right click on that, or let's click. So format it, numbers, more number format, then number. I want to know, yeah. So we've done this before. So I want to check the best performing. Mm, um, so now I can set my pivot chart. I also like to use the, okay. Now because of its, because the many, so that's why it's giving something like this. But I just need the best, I need the best 10. Mm. So go to the value. I want to check the best performing 10, top 10. So I have this, they are sorted. So I could also still hide this. Mm, design, put design, the charts. So triple click, solid fill. Yeah, the bars. I could come here for the font. Instead of black, I could go with white. I think the white seems to be better. Or, okay, I think I prefer this. Then let me work on this. Solid fill. Hmm. No, I don't like that. Mm. So okay, they're sorted this way. I'll select the border to be rounded. So we have it this way. Mm. Mm. I could rename the transfer country. Okay. So now I need slicers. These are certain slicers. So for time's sake, I'll probably just put them in its place. Mhm. I want to insert the pivot table again. Oh, I was supposed to choose same sheet, but seems to have forgotten. Okay. So now I need I need slicers. So I need certain slicers. I need the loyalty card slicer. I need the host type slicer, and I need country customer name and the size. So I could design my slicer. To get this color, you just need to go to more colors, 60, 20.